Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this series, we are building an e-commerce website on WordPress from scratch. Up until now, we have set up our hosting account and installed WordPress using cPanel. And our website looks something like this. Now in this tutorial, I'll show you 3 ways to change the theme of our website. The first is a very simple one. You just go back to your dashboard, hover on appearances and click on themes. Here, you'll find an option to add new theme. Click on it and it will take you to the WordPress library. Here we have thousands of themes to choose from. So let me search for one called Inspiro. You see this here? Simply click on install and then click on activate. Now that our new theme is activated, we can visit our website to test it. Yep, looks good to me. So that was one method. So let me delete this for now. Go back to your themes and activate your default theme. Now click on the theme that you had just installed and you'll see this delete option here. Click it, click OK, and this theme is gone. Now this method used WordPress library. Now the second method that I'll show you would be to upload your own theme through WordPress dashboard. Most of the times when we purchase a premium theme, we usually receive a zip file like this. Let me show you. Let me open this. And these are all the files of your theme. Let's go back. Go back to your dashboard. Click on add new theme. And this time, instead of choosing a theme from this library, click on the upload theme button here. Now this will let you upload the zip file. Simply click on choose file. Go back to your downloads, select the zip file, click open and then click install now. The rest of the steps are same as before. Simply activate it, go back to your site and hit reload. Now this was easy as well. For now, I'll switch back to the default theme again and delete the theme that we just installed. Now, if for some reason you're not able to upload your theme through the WordPress dashboard, you can always use your cPanel hosting account. Let me show you how. Simply go back to your hosting account, open your cPanel, wait for it to open, then under the file section, you'll see this file manager here. Click on this. Let me zoom in a little bit. Now, here you will see this public_HTML folder. Double click to open it. Now this is the root of your website. Your entire WordPress is installed here only. At the top, you'll find a folder named WP Content. Double click to open this. Here, you'll see a folder named Themes. Double click to open this. Uploaded or installed on your website. Click on the upload button here and you'll see this page. Go back to your zip file. Simply drag it and drop it here. Wait for it to upload. Now once the upload is complete, you can close this page. And back on this page, hit reload. Now you can see the zip file has been uploaded here. Select this file and click on the extract button here. Keep it as is and hit extract files. Reload again and you can see that we have a folder here. So this simply means that our theme has been properly installed on our website. So let's go back to our dashboard, hit reload. And just like before, we have our theme installed here. And so this is the default theme here. Activate this one. Go back to your website and reload. I think all three methods are fairly easy and you should decide which one to choose based on your own requirements. And that was all. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And if you did, give it a thumbs up and leave your questions down below. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.